Hey, hope all is well. Guess what? Yep, you guessed it. What am I cooking in a van? Tonight I got sausage and onions in the pan. I've added minced onions. I love onion. I mean, who doesn't? Jalapeno peppers, crushed jalapenos, and garlic salt. Next, I'll be putting some eggs in there. Of course, pepper jack cheese, shredded Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. Something about onions and jalapenos, I just can't get enough. But anyway, that's what I'm up to this evening. My eyes are watering because that was one stout onion. It was the smallest one I had, but by golly, she made some noise in here. But I'll show y'all what I come up with here in a minute, alright? Alright, we're back. Dumped 3 eggs in the pan. Cracked in 3 eggs in the pan, and I'm fitting to dump all this cheese in there. There's not much left in this bag. I've got another one in the freezer, trust me. I don't run out of this stuff. But that's all that's in that bag right now. And I'm going to go ahead and dump that in the pan and put this lid on there, and we're going to see just how this cooks up. Oh, yeah. And if anybody watches my channel regularly, they know I love onions in everything. With the smell in here, with the onions and the garlic and the sausage and the minced onions and the jalapeno peppers. This place smells amazing right now. I mean, like, daggum. As one of my subscribers stated on a previous video, wishing we had smell-o-vision, most certainly, I wish y'all could smell what this place smells like when I cook in here like this. But anyway, that's going to be done pretty soon. As we all know, the eggs ain't going to take long to cook. I probably got more sausage in there than egg. I should maybe throw another one in there, but it's just about done, and I don't want to dump a raw egg in there this late in the game. Anyway, sorry about the noise. That was just the exhaust fan that I installed behind the license plate. It's pretty cool. Plus, I like sitting in a random parking lot and cooking all this wonderful stuff and then turn on the fan and smell up the whole place. People are like, but you know, it's whatever. This is my life. I live in a van and I like to cook good food. And I appreciate those who do watch. And for anybody who hasn't been watching my channel and is new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I do videos of different things I can cook in a van, and I'm starting my next van build, which is a high top econo line, and I will be sharing my journey building this next van, and hopefully my journey in this next van. So if anybody would like to follow along, you know where the buttons are. And as previously stated, if you got any good ideas or something I can cook with the things I have, I've got a stove, a microwave, and an air fryer. I still want to get a slow cooker or a crock pot to try that pot roast recipe. I just haven't done that yet, and because I'm beginning another van build, I don't see that in the near future. I mean, maybe several weeks down the road, but as I said, I got a frying pan, I got a stove, I got an air fryer, I got a microwave. Shoot me some ideas. Yes, I love hot dogs. I love sausage, egg, and cheese. I like all the good normal stuff. But I want to expand my horizons on meals. And it would add to my channel. So, any other ideas? Please, let me hear them. Hang on a second and I'll show y'all what this turns out to be. Well, it's not an omelet. It's just scrambled eggs with sausage and onions and cheese, and it will be topped with Cholula. Yes, I know there are people out there that say, oh, that's weak. Get some Texas Pete or get some habanero sauce. I'm not about that. I love Cholula. It's more about the flavor of hot sauce than it is the heat part of it. I understand everybody's got their own opinions. Everybody's got their own likes and dislikes and all this, that, and the other. These are the things I like. No, I'm not sponsored by any of the companies of any of the products I use. These are just some of my favorite things in life. Anyway, this smells amazing. and Fat Boy's hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.